Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to continue my explanation. So in the example 4, so we have this problem. So these problems that the meaning we have to know about the two condition in here. So we have two in here, means that there is two absolute sign. The first one is this one. I'm sorry. The first one is this one, the second one is this one. Okay, so we have to making this one is separate condition when the condition the absolute x minus 2 and when the condition x plus y absolute. So we have this definition, right? In the previous I already informed that if we have this one, a absolute a means that will be equal a when the condition a bigger than equal 0. Okay, bigger than equal 0, and also will be equal minus a when the condition a less than 0. So we assume that a equal x minus 2. Since we assume that a equal minus 2, so this is a, so will be equal a when the condition a bigger than equal 0. Means that in this condition x minus 2 bigger than equal 0. So we can get this one, x bigger than equal 2. So we have this one. And the last one, so will be minus a. So means that this is will be minus a, means that minus x minus 2. Okay, so means that minus x plus 2. So in the another term, so we can define this one, 2 minus x. Okay, so 2 minus x when the condition a less than 0. Since we assume a is x minus 2, so means that x minus 2 less than 0. So x less than 2. So we can assume this one, x minus 2 absolute means that x minus 2 when the condition x bigger than 2, and also 2 minus x when the condition x less than 2. Okay, next in the another condition, if we assume a is x plus 1, so with the same operation, so we can divide that x plus 1 when the condition x bigger than equal minus 1, and also minus x minus 1 when the condition x less than minus 1. Okay, so after we define this one, so we can define that in the line of numbers, the number of lines, so we can define this is there is minus 1 and also 2. So we can define this one in the numbers of lines, so we define minus 1 and 2. So means that in the right side of the 2, we will use this one, x minus 2. Since this is bigger than equal to. In the right side for the x plus 1, so we will use this one. Why? Because x bigger than equal minus 1, also x bigger than 2. So we use this one, x plus 1. Okay, in the middle one, we will use this one. In the middle, because this is less than 2, so we use this one, 2 minus x. And also for this one, since this is still in the right side of the minus 1, so we still use x plus 1. But in the left side, so because this is all in the left, so this one using 2 minus x, and in here we use minus x minus 1. So we have three area. The first area, second area, and also third area. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, we have the first area, second area, and third area. So the first area, in the first area we use this one. We will change, the absolute x minus 2 become 2 minus x. We change x plus 1 by become minus x minus 1. And also in the middle we change this one, 2 minus x. For the x plus 1 we change this one. And the last one in the third area, so we change x minus 2 in here and also x plus 1 in here. Okay, so we will after that we will solve one by one in the first area, in the second area, and the third area. Okay, in the first area, so we define this one. We use the interval, means that minus infinity until minus 1. So we solve this one. Okay, we will solve this one. The first area, when the condition in the x less than minus 1. In the x minus 1, as I informed before, this is we will use 2 minus x, and also we will use minus x minus 1. So from the previous we change this one, so means that 3 times, okay, so 3 times we will use this one as in the previous. We will use this one, x minus 2 will be changed to this one, and x plus 1 change become this one. So we will get this one, 3 times 2 minus x minus x minus 1, x bigger than minus 2. Then we will get 3 times 2 should be 6, okay, 3 times minus x minus 3x, and also minus positive x minus positive 1, bigger than equal minus 2. Okay, in the next, so we just compute this one, minus 3x plus x should be minus 2x, okay, minus 2x, this one, 6 plus 1 should be 7, and also this one minus 2. So next is, we move here, okay, so we will get this one, minus 2x, minus 1. So next is, we would like to change, because this is using the minus, so we have to swap, then 2x less than equal 9 over 2. So we will get this one, x is less than equal 9 over 2. So if we draw the line, so we will make intersection between this one, making intersection between this one and this result. What the result of the intersection? Okay, next is we would like to making the intersection between this one. We will make the intersection between the area here, first area, and also the result area. So we define this one. The first one, x minus 1 should be in here. This is minus 1, will be in here. And also this one, x less than 9 over 2 should be this one. Since we have this one, since we have the intersection operation, so we will get the area that will be there is this in this area, and this area should be minus 1, means this one. So this is will be the area. So what the result? So this is minus 1. So the result, then we will get this result. Okay, so this is the result. Yeah, this is 9 over 2, this is 1. So this is the 2 times of the area that will be inside of this area and also inside this area. So we will get the intersection, the result of intersection between minus infinity 9 over 2 intersection with minus infinity minus 1. So the result is minus infinity comma minus 1. So this is the result. Okay, so we will get this result, minus infinity until minus 1. Okay, so in the first area we have the result, the HP1, so means that the result is minus infinity minus 1. Next, in the second area. In the second area, we define this one. X bigger than equal minus 1 and x less than 2. Please be careful. In here, I'm using equal. Why? Because in the previous, we already defined that this one. X bigger than equal. But in the less than, we doesn't use equal in here. Okay. So this is the reason why we use equal in here. X bigger than equal minus 1 and x less than 2. In the second area, as we mentioned before, in here we use this one, 2 minus x and x plus 1. So how then we compute from the previous one? So we change this one using 2 minus x, we change this one using x plus 1. Next, this is the computation, 3 times 2 minus x plus 1 bigger than equal minus 2. After that, so we get this one, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times minus x minus 3x, minus times x minus x, minus times plus 1 minus 1. So we will get this one, minus 4x, yeah, and also plus 5, okay, here. And here should be minus 2. Same with the previous, we move here, will be go to here, then we will get this one, 4x, minus 4x bigger than equal minus 7. Since minus, then we can swap. 4x less than equal 7. So x is less than equal 7 over 4. Next, what we are going to do, we will get this one from the minus infinity, 7 over 4. Same with the previous, we will making the intersection between this one and this one. Okay, so the intersection point, so we will get this one. For the area, minus 1 until 2 should be this one. And also minus infinity, 7 over 4 should be in the middle of this one. Should be like this. Okay, should be like this. Okay, next we will get this one. So the area that contain the first area and also the second area in here, so will be the content with this and this one will be the red area. So what our conclusion in here, so our conclusion means that this is will be the filled circle, this is filled circle. Next we will get this one for the HP2, yeah, so we will get from the minus 1 until 7 over 4. Okay, so we have 2. In here, we already get minus infinity until minus 1. Also, in the second region, we will get this one, minus 1 until 7 over 4. Okay, so the last one, the third area. In the third area, x bigger than 2. In the x bigger than 2, we will use this one. Okay, and also in x plus 1 we use this one. So we compute again. 3 x minus 2 change to be this one, x plus 1 will be changed this one. So we will get this one, 3x 3 times x minus 2 minus x plus 1 and also bigger than equal 2. So 3 times x, 3x, 3 times minus 2 minus 6, minus x and minus 1. So 3x minus x is 2x minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. Okay, so we move here from the left to right, so we will get 5. 2x bigger than equal 5. So x bigger than equal 5 over 2. Next, we make the intersection between this one and this one. Okay, after we making the next is we will make the intersection for 2 bigger than this one. So will be in this area, okay. This one will be in this area, 5 over 2, and for the 2 will be in this area. So the region that will be inside both of them should be here, right? Will be from here. So the result should be this area. Means that the result in the HP3 should be x, means that from the 5/2 until positive infinity. 5/2 until positive infinity. In this area, we already get this one, -1 until 7/4. And this result, we already get this one. We already got this one, minus infinity until -1. So in the last step, we already actually we have three result: first result, second result, and the third result. In the next step, next is we make the union between three of this result. Next is we have making the union between the result, the first result, second result, and the third result. In the first result, we have this one. In the second result, we have this one, and also the third result, we have this one. So means that we make the union. So this one and this one. So we make the union. The union between this one and this one means that should be all, because from this one not enter -1, but this one is enter -1, should be as the result. So we will get this result from the 7/4 all. And for this one, we have this result. This is 7/4, and this one is 5/2. So it will be this area. Okay, will be this area. Okay, so we can conclude that we have the conclusion that the result is minus infinity until 7/4 union 5/2 until positive infinity. So we already finished find the result. So the solution for the previous question. So this is the result. The solution is this one. X member of minus infinity until 7/4 union 5/2 until positive infinity. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you enjoy for this video. Hopefully if you have any question, we can also directly making discussion in online class. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.